Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the series of lectures on Python programming language offered by Undergrad Academy. So you all might have heard about the if-else in Python, that is the conditional statements. I have also made a video on conditional statements. If you haven't watched, I'll give the link here. But in Python, we also have the for-else loop. You might have not heard about it in any other programming languages because they are not there, but in Python, we do have the for-else loop as well as the while-else loop. So let's try them out in our PyCharm. So here I have opened my PyCharm and I have declared for I in range 10. So it will run the loop unless and until the condition is reached, that is range 10, that is less than 9. And it will print I. Obviously this I is what? This range, that is 1 2 3 0 1 2 3, obviously starting from 0 because in range it automatically by default starts from 0. But this is the new thing, that is for else with a for. Usually we have seen else with the if, we haven't seen it with for, but in Python we have the for else. So in this else statement I have said that print the statement that is I is no longer in the range of 10. So it will run the loop, that is this for loop, and as soon as this loop is over, as soon as the condition becomes false, it will print this statement and I won't get the error because I don't have any if here, but still I won't get the error because we do have a for else statement in Python. So here I've got this, I've got 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and here I have also got this I is no longer in the range of 10. So it means that we do have the for else loop in Python. And we also have the while else loop in Python. So for sure, we have declared this I is equals to 1 because we do have to declare the object. We have to declare the object first, and after that we can run the loop. So I have declared I is equals to 1. We have to do the initialization first, and then I'm running the loop unless and until the condition is, that is I is less than 6, and I'm printing the I and obviously incrementing it because it is the basic syntax of while loop. If you haven't seen my for loop and while loop videos, I will give the link up here. And I'm also printing this else statement with this while. The print I is no longer less than 6. Let's run this. So here I've got 1 2 3 4 5 and I is no longer less than 6. So we do have this while else loop in Python. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching us. Please take up some time to subscribe to our channel, kindly like the video and share it with your friends, and comment your queries in the comment section below. Goodbye, see you soon.